Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some of the techniques I use to work up my vintage cards. A lot of them are oversized and they can't be cut down. So I have started making one-sided Christmas cards using especially the vintage, but you can use any card that you like the image of. Basically, I fussy cut them out and then add whatever I'm going to add. I might add ribbon, I might add sparkle, I might emphasize the flame on a candle. As you see here, I have done that. I often add sentiments from different cards. I save out pretty pieces of cards that I can use elsewhere. Often, if I can't fit it completely on the card, I will mount it to the side and preserve the pieces that I like the most. As you see here with the cardinal, I probably would just have to cut off that one part of the branch and then I would add a sentiment to it. And on some of the larger ones that I really can't cut down, I have started turning them into larger pieces, mounted, and then they can be used on the wall or in the middle of a wreath. Very often I do that with the greetings. It works pretty well, and they're a good size to show up. And of course, I decorate these as well, emphasize different pieces, maybe add pieces. Above all, please come back and visit.